In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can locate all text correction options. If you wanna find all typing options of your Samsung default keyboard, here's how to do it in few seconds. First, open Settings. Second, scroll down to choose General Management, which is available here. And third, tap on Samsung keyboard settings to manage all of those however you want to. You can operate them by choosing those switchers next to chosen features, or tapping on chosen features and tapping on the switchers within. Most people miss that you can actually scroll down a tiny bit more, and when you finished with all of those, tap on more typing options to manage them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!